Hey everyone, it's Brian here from B&D Crafts and More here on YouTube. Today I'm coming on doing an unboxing for my initial box for the Decorate Your Life design team. You can find Decorate Your Life online at decorateyourlife.com, here on YouTube, on the channel Decorate Your Life, and just about everywhere on social media. So, a little backstory, I am one of 3 new design team members of the Decorate Your Life brand ambassador team, and I'm really excited to bring some projects to y'all with these new products, and hope you'll join along on my journey. If you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to all the channels that are listed in the description box below this video. We're going to be doing giveaways from time to time, so that's going to be fun. And also, just know that your support means everything to me. So let's get started unboxing this first box here. We're only going to do one box today, and this is for the She Said Yes collection from Decorate Your Life. I'll show you what all we got in it when I get it opened. Just open it very carefully. I may want to reuse this box in the future. I do that sometimes. So now let's go ahead and open the crafty goodness, y'all. Well, I thought I had this one side. There we go. Looky here. You're cordially invited to enchanting creative journey. Dear creative soul, today we celebrate art, storytelling, memory making. Your She Said Yes kit is a treasure chest of elegance designed to inspire your most heartfelt creations. Whether crafting for a wedding or indulging your love of shabby chic design, each piece is curated to spark magic in your hands. From She Said Yes to your next creative masterpiece, may your projects be filled with beauty and joy. Happy crafting. And then list the kit features: beautiful scrapbook paper and soft romantic designs, elegant trims and sparkling bling, vintage-inspired metal embellishments, and die-cut pieces and more to bring your projects to life. With love, the Decorate Your Life team. Thank you. So let us get into this box here real quick. I know it's going to look kind of sideways, but I can't help that because I cannot fit the whole box in here, I don't think. I'm trying to, y'all. I'm trying to. I promise you, I'm trying to. There we go. I think we got it. So we got in the right orientation now. So let's open this up. Thank you very much, Sandy and Jenny, for believing in me and having me join your team. It's a real pleasure to join your team. I promise you, I'm going to make y'all so happy with my project. And let's see what we got here. First of all, we got, looks like a pom-pom maybe. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but it's pretty cool. Might be some trim or something that, you know, honestly, it looks almost like a lucky rabbit's foot. But I don't think that's what it is. We'll find out what this is later. Let's see here. We got some silk. What does it say? I think this is like lace, actually. This is pretty cool, too. Plus, we have a metal cross. Isn't that cool, y'all? I love this. I'm going to have to make some out of this. Or make some for it. And we got some ephemera here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, see if it's sticker ephemera. I'm not sure. We're about to find out together. Either way, it's beautiful. And really, really beautiful. I'm trying to open it carefully. Try and open it carefully, y'all. I'm sorry it's taking so long. I tell you what, we'll find out later. This is really nice ephemera, though, for real. I mean, I can tell it's very high quality. And we got a bow here, like a pinkish, peachish color bow. Maybe not peachish. It's a dark pink color, it looks like. We got some more lace here that we can use like in junk journals or mini albums. This could be nice, make a nice belly band for a mini album too, or junk journal. We got some metal pieces here. Looks like these are brads possibly. And we got some more brads here. These are heart-shaped. Look like little pearls on the inside. I mean, on the inside of the hearts. And we got some bows that look like they're metal charms. And then we got a butterfly little charm as well. And we also have a, looks like a crown charm. There you go. I'm sorry if the light's very harsh, but you know, I can't really help that right now. I'm going to try to though. Here's another bow. This time it's in white. And we got what looks, this is kind of like a brass book plate. This is really cool. I'm going to love using this. Believe me, I will. I'm really going to love using that. And we also got some washi tape. And we have our 8.5 by 8.5 65-pound cardstock paper pad with 6 designs, 2 sheets of each, so that's 12 sheets in total. And that's the She Said Yes collection. And finally, we have the She Said Yes Collector's Edition Scrapbook Paper Kit by Decorate Your Life. Now I'm going to go ahead and open these two real quick and show them to y'all. We're going to look into the cardstock stack first. There's our cover piece here. We can also cut out. Maybe make use of these 6 panels here. Here's the first one. And this is single-sided cardstock, so you don't have to, you know, decide whether or not you want to use side A or side B. So that's perfect. Got that piece first. She Said Yes on there with some music notes and typewriter. Vintage-looking typewriter at that. Then we got what looks like an old Model T Ford with a vase of flowers and a mansion, or I forget what they're called down south. Antebellum house, kind of. That's what it kind of looks like to me. Mansion / antebellum house with the fountain in front. So next we got some more flowers with the mirror. And we got some more here, some more papers, some wedding bells, and another frame. And another frame with a basket of flowers. Some flowers in the background as well, with some wording. Looks like somebody was painting a letter in the background. Nice antique script cursive writing. And finally, we got this pattern here, which is another frame with flowers in it. Looks like a mirror, perhaps. And some more flowers in the background with some more vintage writing in the background as well, and a wedding cake. So that is our first paper pack. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the collector's edition. See what we got here. We got, there's going to be, how many sheets of each? 2, I believe, of each. It's got a woman with a wedding dress and one of those old school timepieces. Some wedding bells. And another one here. Another woman and some flowers and the Annabelle Mansion again. And here too. And another one, another lady with Annabelle Mansion in the background, the vintage typewriter, and all sorts of cool stuff. Another beautiful woman with script handwriting and looks like a wedding invitation here. Another frame and some background script writing as well. Let's see here. There we go. And another one. It looks like this one was on horseback. And there's a wedding cake over here and another wedding cake with a vintage timepiece as well. And some frames and some background writing. And we got some more here. Looks like a bunch of backgrounds here that we put together. That's really nice. I like that. And we got some more here. She said yes on this one with the mansion and another mirror and some wedding bells and a lot of script writing and some sheet music in the background as well. Now it looks like we're coming back into the ephemera. Got some old style postage stamp type pieces here. See, we're going to get 2 sheets of that, I believe. Yes. And some jars, like jars with flowers in it and such, and those bows like we saw earlier. I'm going to get all this straightened up here first. I'm making a hot mess here right now. I'm sorry, y'all. This is some really, really nice stuff. Please do go check out decorateyourlife.com and just, go ahead and buy some stuff from Sandy. You're going to love these things. I promise you are. Okay, so this is going to be a tab page for going on the right side. Like if you're making junk journal or mini album or something. See, I'm already getting lots of ideas in my head here. Another one, tab page right. Another one. Now we have some tab pages going to the left side. There's a tab on the left side. And again, tabs on the left. Okay, that is 2 pieces. And another one here. And now we got some cool stuff here. We got some cut apart quotes and words like Mrs. First smooches, love you always, to have and to hold, our ever after, our family, friends, fun times, she said yes, honeymoon, and we danced. Then happy everything, our love story, and we got some blank ones here. Then 2 became 1, oh what a night, and then 2 became 1. Got 2 sheets of that. Wait, no, I think there's only 1 sheet of that because, unless I missed something. Yes, there is 1 sheet of that. That is right. Now we got some background papers as well. I'll show you. Got some nice blush pink colors here. And then we got some nice baby blues here as well. And then last page, she said, yes, Collector's Edition Scrapbook Paper Kit by Decorate Your Life. That may have actually been the front. I just didn't notice. And you can also cut this out as well. You can, I'll show you. You can also cut out this woman too. Right there. That'll be cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to my channel and all the channels for the design team members. And I hope you'll have a great day. And I'll see y'all again real soon. Bye.